Hello guys, this is Sumit and I welcome everyone to my channel Sumit Study Talks. Today I am going to show you up how paddy cleaning or you can say grains cleaning process works in a rice milling industry. So guys, don't skip the video, let's enjoy the video. So the process starts with workman dragging the paddy bags from the godown to the hopper of the feeding elevator. Then step 2, they cut the mouth of the paddy bags and drop the paddy into the feeding elevator. So this is the feeding elevator and it carries the paddy to the rotary pre-cleaner for cleaning purpose. This is the rotary pre-cleaner as we have talked earlier, or you can say primary pre-cleaner. Here you can see that all the big straws are filtered out at the top of the strainer and dust, stones and other impurities also settles down below very easily. After that, the final clean paddy comes out from the rotary pre-cleaner. And then via elevator, the paddy goes to the next level of pre-cleaning stage, that is double deck pre-cleaner. At the top screen, the small straws and stones also get separated, and then the filtered paddy goes to the bottom screen for further cleaning. So in the bottom screen, impurities like small stones, immature straws or grains, dust also get separated. In this way, after the clean paddy comes out from the double deck pre-cleaner and is ready to go to the final stage of cleaning, that is secondary pre-cleaner. So step 5, the paddy is further put to cleaning with the secondary pre-cleaner. Again, in this stage, compost and dust also get separated for the final time. and here you can see the final paddy that is coming out, which is ready to go to the parboil section for parboiling purpose.